Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you decide or know how you can do that on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to suggested posts. So just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That means suggested post notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.